Tesla Motors, owned by Elon Musk, is the market leader in EVs. The company is known for their car models like Model S, Model Y, Model 3, among others. Tesla is seen as a revolutionary in the electric vehicle industry and has its market cap growing exponentially year by year. Elon, Tesla's CEO, is known for his technology-focused and cost-effective approaches in doing things. In today's video, we dive straight into Tesla's manufacturing plant in Fremont, California, and check out how Tesla makes its vehicles. Speed, accuracy, and efficiency are of great essence in any Tesla factory. At Tesla, many robots work alongside about 3,000 humans to do the large tasks which humans cannot do fast enough. The versatility of Tesla robots is incredible. Most factory robots are designed to do single jobs repeatedly, but some of Tesla's robots are designed to change their tooling while working on a car to do multiple specialized tasks. Tesla's production line is said to be made up of 43 steps as compared to the over 100+ steps used by other car manufacturers. Generally, the Tesla Model 3 uses a more automated process as compared to the Model X or the Model S since it calls for huge demand due to its affordability. The Model 3 has about 1,000 robots working simultaneously in its body shop. Tesla has huge plans of producing 1 million cars per year, even though current figures are a far cry from the aim. Recent figures are around 500,000 cars in 2020. But Tesla has shown huge potential in hitting that target in the coming years. The making of a Tesla vehicle is a very fast and swift process that starts at the stamping center. It's inside this ginormous warehouse that the wonderful art of Tesla vehicle making begins. The metal sheets are unrolled and cut into various parts of the vehicle, like trunks, doors, and many more. These are done by robots. The next stage of the vehicle making process involves the checking and inspection of every component to get them ready for the bodyworks at the body shop. It is at this stage that most of the welding works are done. Essentially, the framework or skeleton of the car is done here. Next is the general assembly, which is undoubtedly the most important and difficult stage of vehicle manufacturing. Elon had called this stage the hell of production a few years ago. Tesla had to meet the demand for the Model 3, but their production capacity had hit its limit. The company made a huge tent, larger than 2 football fields combined outside its factory, allowing the production of over 200,000 vehicles in 2019. At the general assembly, major components like the battery pack, the engine, the chassis, and many more are fixed in a process they term as marriage. Tesla seats are designed and made by human employees, which are then fixed into the vehicles when done. In no time, the Tesla receives their wheels and tires, and it's time to roll off. At this juncture, the cars are as good as done. As said by most tech enthusiasts, most cars of the future are going to be electric vehicles, and to lead this course, Tesla is replicating its efficient and fast wave production in its factories in Berlin and Shanghai, helping for the mass production of its vehicles. It may seem like most of Tesla's production works are handled by robots. Musk once said, "You can't have people in the production line itself, otherwise you drop to people speed," indicating that humans are the slowest component of the production lines. Everything still boils down to humans. There are certain jobs machines can't do. These are the maintenance of the machines, upgrades, and tending to anomalies. More works at the assembly line will be done by robots sooner than we think. Perhaps it's time for humans to take a break and allow the machines to do the work. With Tesla's innovations in just over 13 years, we look forward to what wonderful ideas the company brings to the table in the coming years. So there you have it, how Tesla makes its vehicles. Like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to be the first to see our videos anytime a new one drops.